Are you an affiliate marketer struggling to maximize your earnings? Imagine if you could create high-converting promotional pages in just minutes, even if you have zero tech skills. Sounds impossible? Well, let me introduce you to Commission Gorilla V3, the ultimate tool designed specifically for you. With its innovative drag-and-drop bonus builder, you can effortlessly craft enticing bonuses that will capture your audience's attention. No more headaches trying to figure out complicated software. Commission Gorilla V3 simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on what really matters, growing your income. But that's not all. This powerhouse comes equipped with an automated bonus library and instant sharing options. Picture this, you're just a few clicks away from having your very own high-converting pages for all your promotional needs. The hassle of getting everything set up is gone. Instead, you can save countless hours and dramatically boost your click-through rates. And did I mention unlimited free hosting? That's right. You can host all your promotional materials without worrying about extra costs. Plus, to ensure you feel completely confident, you can take advantage of the 30-day risk-free trial. There's absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain when you choose Commission Gorilla V3. Imagine elevating your affiliate marketing game and earning commissions like never before. With Commission Gorilla V3, maximizing your earnings has never been easier, even for the tech-challenged. So, are you ready to take your first step toward marketing success? Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks that will help you supercharge your affiliate marketing journey. Hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock those earning potentials together.